On Saturday, April 19th, 2025, at approximately 7:59 p.m., officers responded to a Walgreens in South Holland following reports of two women walking out of the store with unpaid merchandise. An officer was already in the parking lot when it happened. As the two women stood in the middle of the lot, bags in hand, one of them said something to officers that no one expected to hear. Watch what happened next.
Because I can pay for my own stuff.
So what's
got
wrong?
a problem that we adding our stuff in our gift bags. We was going in the store to pay for our stuff. We was making the gift bag. I have money right here in my wallet.
So she made some comments.
She was like, "Hey, what she said? Wait, y'all cannot be right there in this aisle right here with these bags. Something." I'm like, these
so y'all came into the store with the bags.
No, these are their bags. That's why I grabbing our stuff, and then we grabbed the bags. Yeah. Still up there paying for her juices. We never came here to steal. We paying for our stuff. We was just. I have cash. We didn't even make it out the store. We was stealing. We would have wanted to.
I got you. So my question is, do you have receipts for these?
No, we don't have no receipt because we did not pay for this. I just literally walked out the store because I'm like, oh yeah, now y'all saying we want to steal. Oh yeah, and I started walking out. Yeah, but no, I was never. No, my intentions never was come here to steal nothing. They're my friends.
This is y'all. Y'all, this your friend too? Okay. All right, let me get some ID from y'all, I guess.
That's so cool. That's my whole.
Yeah, come on, yeah, let's.
Oh my God, I left my whole. They doing too much.
What is it that you?
First of all, these are gift bags.
And I said that.
Right. Yeah.
Wait, hold on. How you got an attitude when y'all over here doing wrong? I'm trying to. Y'all up in here doing wrong, and you got an attitude.
Miss Lulu.
So this first of all, these are bags. Right. All that's our stuff.
And I told her that, ma'am. And then I told her when we came here, we grabbed all our stuff. We grabbed the gift bags. We wanted to put all our stuff in the bag, and we didn't even wait. Listen.
Can I tell you something before? I already seen you before on camera.
I don't even stay out here.
That's how I knew you was about to steal. That's how I knew you was about to steal. Though. I'm just telling you.
You too. You ain't got no receipt for it. Alright, so put it down.
I want no trespassing.
Okay, so Miss Lulu, what you want there?
I want no trespassing against them.
And then I'm telling you, man, I have money on me. I was never going to steal. I wasn't finna steal it. That's what I'm telling you. I was never finna steal it. No, I'm not.
Okay, whatever. I'm not finna go back and forth.
I'm not going back and forth. I'm trying to have a conversation.
So what you finna pay for this stuff?
Yeah, I was about to pay for this stuff. It was
so y'all can pay for all y'all stuff.
I got money. It's no issue. That's the way you came because you came at the aisle. You said y'all cannot be right here.
I said no. I saw you put the stuff in your bag.
So y'all, do y'all want to resolve this? Do y'all want to resolve this and I'm not needed?
I don't know what they want to do. Do they want to pay for their stuff?
Let me talk then. Thank you. Now, the reason why she called us is because y'all left up out the store without paying for it. Once you dock this dough and you don't pay for it, it's over with. You feel me? Regardless if you got money or not. If you had that, then you would have paid it up at the register.
I ain't even get a chance to get
No. I'm not even trying to hear all that. Because once you dock this door and you took items that you ain't paid for, make it make sense, y'all. Now, are y'all paying for the stuff or not?
Yes.
And then what you want?
Matter of fact, no. Because I don't want them in here. They don't got to pay for it. Just leave. Because they're going to try to pay for it and then bring it back. Because they was going to steal it anyway. So, no. Just leave. It's over.
So let me get some name.
And I want to know trespass.
Okay, I got you. How you come out the house with no ID on you?
I left my
You got a picture of it?
No. It's a brand new ID.
I literally left my whole
If you can't get a picture, we got to take you in and do a fingerprint report. So.
What?
Yeah, so somebody got to...
Let me see if I have a picture. I even send a picture of my ID to somebody.
And then you got your ID on you too?
Why would I do that?
People do it. Yeah, people do it.
I don't even know if I got a picture of my ID on my phone. I just got the ID, bro. What's my whole fucking wallet?
Okay, don't worry about that.
Yeah, it's over with now, y'all.
Hey, can we step over here?
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
What the hell? Don't have that wallet on.
Next time you know, they'll come out the house without no ID on you.
You do a name and then have I'm trying to call Angie from Records.
Send a picture.
Email. Work email. But you ran her already.
Yeah, I'm waiting to get back.
press charges like he wants them.
Yeah, she just
Hello.
wants them to leave.
Hello.
Do you have a picture of my ID? I left my wallet at home.
Yeah, we came to this Walgreens. We came to this Walgreens, so we start.
You still on 200?
You ain't taking no
She
picture of
was
it?
what? That's my friend. I didn't get her clean up for my phone. Wait, hold on, wait on.
I left it at the Yale house, my whole wallet, and I need a picture.
Come on, Philly. We came here putting the stuff in the gift bag, and you came here out like y'all can't be.
Yeah, and so run the name and DOB first, and then have them.
Okay. Yeah, my phone in the car. Got a good place for it.
Well, run it, and then I'll.
Send to yours? Okay.
Hello.
What's your
Yeah.
Layla. This one?
Yeah.
Layla, Delaware.
And if it comes up something else.
Yeah, that bitch. Oh, tweaking. People trying to steal.
Hey, do me a favor. So, Brown just ran right now.
That's crazy. I'm sitting right here too.
Can you pull up? So were they past the point?
Girl, you knows it.
Shit, I want to see what they grab too.
Were they past the point?
What's happening for?
Can you do me a favor? Can you go in there, you know, that
What is it? It's like, they gotta be like expensive, right?
my wallet,
Like,
Where were they at?
in the parking lot?
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, that's like, yeah. We brought, we sitting back here.
At this Walgreens, they told us to go Walgreens.
Yeah.
Okay, well, nothing out here.
Because it's at ATM.
Well, we just didn't know. Track
The black one, yeah, and then it's
That and then
the
sign
receipt around it. It's Tiffany got buzz cards.
$95.
No, 170. No, 174.
You said 174?
174. No, I saw that. I saw that at the bottom too. But no, that's.
What's 95?
What does this mean?
All FSA items like condoms and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah, okay, so that's included in
Yeah, so
that.
it's all grand total. They just separate.
So then to get that done, those of you, then well, you guys have the
Yeah, 'cause, so that is all.
Yeah.
Right.
You got any weapons or anything on you? Stand right here real quick. I gotta pat you down before I put you in my car.
What's all this for? We have the real thing. Yeah.
So pat right over here. Watch your, hold on, I
What's all
gotta.
this for? We have to, we have the money.
Okay, did you guys not walk out with all the stuff?
Huh?
You guys walked out with all the stuff. That's retail theft. And guess what? The managers didn't wanted to sign complaints. That's why you're in here. So next time, don't walk out without paying.
Okay.
In the end, Jamia, Hurd, and Delaware were taken into custody and arrested, each facing a retail theft charge for walking out with $174.61 worth of unpaid merchandise. Both were also cited for unlawful possession of cannabis, Hurd with 8.97 grams, Delaware with 11.73 grams, which were discovered during the booking search. All they had to do was pay for their items. Instead, they chose "we had money" after getting caught.